Imagine, if you will, a crisp November day across America, where families from coast to coast gather for one of the most cherished traditions, Thanksgiving. The air is filled with the rich aromas of turkey roasting in the oven, pies cooling on the counter, and the sound of laughter and conversation as loved ones come together around the dinner table. Thanksgiving dates back to 1621, when the Pilgrims and Native Americans shared a feast to celebrate the harvest and give thanks for the blessings of the season. Today, that spirit of gratitude lives on as families take a moment to reflect on the good fortune and abundance in their lives, offering thanks for health, happiness, and togetherness. As the turkey is carved and the feast begins, the table is filled with all the trimmings: stuffing, mashed potatoes, cranberry sauce, and pumpkin pie. It's a meal not just of food, but of memories shared, traditions passed down, and hearts warmed by the presence of family and friends. Beyond the meal, Thanksgiving marks the unofficial start of the holiday season, with parades, football games, and community events. It's a day that reminds Americans to pause, appreciate what they have, and celebrate the joys of family, home, and the simple act of giving thanks.